do it. Robin. Alright, so basically, we're scooping bait in my dad's fish tank, and then we're about to slide out to the river, and you already know the damage we're about to do. I'm gonna show you the bait real quick, and then you'll probably see us on the water. That's not what we're after. We're after what's underneath that tarp. And that's the bait tank. Alright, I'm out here at the spot. We got 3 kayaks back here. Nick and Dom are driving to the next bridge. They just dropped all their stuff off. We're about to float all the way down there. We've never done this float before, so hopefully get into the typical smallmouth walleye. We'll see you down there. We just launched. We got Dom, Nick. Oh my goodness, it is lit. All right, I'm crankbaiting it. Oh, there's the eagle right there. That's the eagle. Look, it's a juvenile. It's a black eagle, or is it a bald eagle? Yeah, it's a bald eagle, but it's juvenile. Yeah, it's got the spots.
On.
That boy Dom. Right. It was wrong, buddy, bro. On the freaking net.
Yes, sir.
Don't break your rod. Let them drag out. Right, that boy Dom got it started.
Whoop. With a great release.
Ooh, David, this might be 10 foot deep.
All deeper that.
Paddle. This is a 7 foot long paddle. Did not fit down there.
Should we pull over and park on that little bank?
I'm gonna drift through and deeper it, and then yeah, and we'll peep.
If it's dope, I can fly the drone here. We can fish.
There's fish in it. I'm telling you right now with 100% confidence, even if you don't catch it, it's smaller in that sea.
All right, we got 4-2, 4-3, 5.
Got it. Got him.
You got a small.
Nah, a little smallie.
Look, this nigga was white.
He is kind of white.
He is really pale.
This is some shit right here.
No, it's nasty. Yeah, it's a 7-footer right here.
But come up and it's like no fun at all.
Are we gonna? Oh, I might have just been
I didn't
on.
even feel him on, dude.
I'm
I went to set the hook, it like came out of
8-3. Yeah, it's really, really rough bottom, like 7-8 foot. Now it's 9.
telling me, bro, this is a hole.
This is actually a really nice one.
Hole is something else. I'm telling you, I got this really dirty, nasty.
Do you want to pull up on the bank over there?
I'm considering it.
On.
Hey, I told you.
He fell right in my net.
Yeah, this ain't shit, though. It's like 4 foot. I mean, it's probably holding fish.
You know, if it's
That's the same one.
it's gonna be soft, bro. It's just like
Shit, bro, evidence.
Yeah.
This is no snags here, though, at least. It's all sand.
Doesn't seem like it. Hey, Nick.
He's on.
Whoop, that was a white bass, bro.
What was it?
It looked like a white bass.
Yeah.
hey,
So
Dave,
multi-species.
we found a little holy hole.
I mean,
Yeah.
bass, smallmouth.
There's gonna be a couple of these holes too. That's what I'm thinking.
Where was he in the current?
He was right on the edge, right?
Right there?
Yeah, right there, right where he hit that too. Damn.
Stay down there. We're gonna catch all these.
I knew it was a white bass.
They're all about 10 inches too.
We're about to get into something big though.
Yeah.
Like today's already 6 times better than yesterday. We can sit here crunch this drums all day. It's definitely just.
Oh, he's mega.
It's a walleye.
Yes.
It's a catfish. It's a little cat.
5 species. Oh, biggin. No, biggin. Get the net.
What is that?
Oh, that's what's got me, son.
Way.
That alligator.
That in the mouth.
What?
Bro,
Jacked him.
I was just
Bro, dude.
I've never in my life seen a turtle caught in the mouth of a
Well,
lure.
this thing is like soft shell,
Careful,
dude.
It is
bro.
soft shell.
Their neck, his neck can come out like
his neck
a
can
foot.
get you
Don't
good.
even.
I got this.
His neck can get you good. Dude, I think you knocked him out with the hook set.
Yeah, that boy is legit.
I'm not lying. I think you killed him with the hook set. On some real
I broke
shit.
his neck, dude.
Yeah, you did.
Like a chicken.
Bro, you wrung his neck. You wrung his neck. No way.
Curtains.
You wrung his neck with the hook set.
Dude, look at his eyes. Roll back at his head.
Dude, he broke his neck with the hook set. Get that good release real quick.
Bro.
That's crazy. Get that good release. Have you ever heard of people doing that with snakeheads? Look, he's dead as. No way.
Hey, bro.
He ate the Ned rig, bro.
Dude, that rig's the best lure right now.
Did he take your spinner?
Nah, I got it. I jacked him dead.
I
Right
ain't.
flip.
Yeah, no.
It was in his bottom lip.
He was sitting there. His neck went like.
Yeah, that hook set just wrung his neck.
Murdered my
I
reel.
saw the hook.
Look at
I
it.
saw the hook set too. He absolutely went. His whole body went down. Did you see that?
Did you feel him thump it?
Legit, like,
I was eat it, bro. And it was like a little, a nice tug, bro.
that's so. That's like so f***ed up. Like,
I'm gonna keep moving. I'm gonna drift a gulp through here and then keep moving. That 16 foot looks just like this. It's got the chunk rock eddy and then it goes down to 17.
Is there a bank closer to it to fish from?
Yeah, it looks just like this. It's got the bank across. It looks exactly like this. That's why I was so confused. There he is. On the board with a small jaw, buddy. And off the board.
Little 2.7, little guy, healthy guy.
yeah, that boy Dom.
On the crawl.
Little tank for them.
Of course, I didn't have it rolling the camera, but
Not even halfway
nice little
done.
release.
Like, what's going on? That deeper go ape shit.
We gotta get you on that deeper.
Those bridges are typically deep. Old bridges. That's pretty dirty in there. Seven right here.
Yeah, there. It gets shallower, like right by me, but I have a feeling we're gonna find some sauce.
The most bait I've seen this whole time.
Yeah, I was working that side.
Yeah, I have a good feeling. Man. Like, look at that big old bubbly root. It got deeper over here. We got like
Fluctuates. It's because it's sand. It's sand and there's like
Damn. Honestly, this would be a nice drone shot right here, this bridge. You think you can fly it through the bridge?
fly it from there. You guys think we'll post up here for a little bit?
Oh, we'll see what. Yep. Came out of the shallow.
That's him. Oh yeah, he's on.
Definitely catfish.
Dog.
Nice one.
On the live kid.
Yeah, try to keep him. Try to keep him. The chub, I mean. Oh yeah.
Nose hooked his little dumbass right in the side of the lip.
That's a good one.
Look at how the line is. Look at where the hook is, though.
Ooh, we almost did it.
You almost broke that video off.
Where's that chub at?
Still on the line. Still, I'm about to just re-throw his look. There's some more chubs in the bucket if you want.
Let me help you out real quick.
Wait. He ain't even fray the line, really.
Let me help you out real quick, Nick.
Got him.
Got him!
Got him.
Let me help you out real
I
quick.
turned off my, I turned off my camera just because I was like, fuck this. Like, they're just here. Like, dumb big. Which is why I think there's smallies and walleyes too. It's not just gonna be them just like.
They kind of own the place, but yeah, there's always gonna be lingering.
They own the place,
But there's gonna be lingerers.
I can see him with my polarized lens.
I'm on.
Oh yeah.
It's a walleye. White bass.
It's a white bass.
Nice.
You still got your walleye?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep him too.
Tie him up.
Tie him on, brother.
See, look, as soon as we got in the kayaks.
He planned. He said that.
Yeah.
We'll keep this guy.
Kayaks, saws, current, saws.
Channel cat on the gulp. I just hooked a really nice channel cat on this gulp minnow. Well, that's a testament to the gulp minnow right there.
On the fall. On the fall.
That's a white bag.
No, that's a smallmouth. Largemouth.
Hold up. Y'all probably want to pull up on the bank.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And I reported that little pipsqueak, a little pale
Dude, they're all on the.
white bass. I love bro. White bass run. We were standing in earlier.
He's on.
Like this mud is like not anywhere near where
You keep. Are you keeping count?
whole rod, like got to be done with the bacon.
Water does not.
That Power Pro V2 super slick.
Big old hybrid maybe.
No, it's a white.
That's a hybrid.
Wow.
It's a white.
That's a big old white bass.
Yeah, that's that
Yeah.
size I caught in the Illinois yesterday.
That's a big old white
Yeah,
bass.
that's about 1.5 pounds.
It's funny seeing that cat on the stringer with those white bass because they just are confused.
The gulpies.
If it doesn't come out after like 3 bigger one too.
Not insanely big, but he's going on string.
He's like,
He's gonna be stringer size.
we don't complain about that.
You already hit your limit, son.
Damn it.